You won't believe it, but this YouTube channel is making $10,000 per month easily, because it has got more than 4 million views in the last 30 days. The channel has uploaded only 70 videos, and it has gained almost 100,000 subscribers in just 4 months. Moreover, all their videos have thousands of views. All they do is upload simple videos, and all their videos are created using AI. The best part is, it only takes them 10 minutes to make these videos. Believe me, these types of videos are getting extremely popular these days. So let's find out how you can make videos like these and earn thousands of dollars effortlessly. Step 1. Write a story. To create videos like these, you first need to write a story. You can use ChatGPT for this purpose. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Before giving any prompt, remember not to use common prompts like write a kid's story, because many people use similar prompts, which leads to everyone creating the same story, and their YouTube channel becomes at risk of demonetization. To ensure you get unique results, give ChatGPT a specific prompt. For example, write me a story in which there are 2 boys, one is rich, and the other is poor. Make sure the speaking tone is friendly and storytelling style. As soon as I enter the prompt, you can see that ChatGPT has provided me with a unique story. So now you can use this to create your video. Now you need to provide another prompt, like I want to create an animated YouTube video about this story, and I want to use images to make the video. Could you suggest images for different scenes? The more creative you are, the better results you'll get. So use your imagination and modify the prompts accordingly. Great. Now you should save the story in your Google Docs. So let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Generate related images for your story. Go to the app Leonardo AI, which is AI image generator. You can find the link in the video description. First, go to the AI image generation option, where you'll see various featured models. But for creating animation videos, you can select the 3D animation style. Then change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Perfect. Now copy the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo AI. Before generating, provide additional instructions to get better results and make a powerful prompt. Click on the generate and voila, the image is generated. You can download it. Do the same for the second and third prompts. Ensure that you use different animation styles for each image to maintain video quality. Now let's move on to step 3. Step 3. Convert the images into animations. Go to leiapix. You can find the link in the description. It's a powerful AI 3D animation tool, and it's completely free. First, sign up here, upload your image, and you can animate it. You can adjust animation length and style as well, and you get different types of animation styles, like horizontal, wide circle, circle, tall circle, and perspective. You can choose any one, making sure to use different animation styles for each scene. According to me, you should keep the animation slow. This would be better. Once the animation is done, download it. Repeat this process for all the images. Now let's move on to step 4. Step 4. Convert the story into voice. For convert ChatGPT story into powerful voice, you can use 11 Labs. This is a powerful AI voice generator tool. I provided the link in the description. Please note that it's a paid tool, so don't use it for free, as it may cause problems with YouTube monetization. If you want to use it, consider purchasing the creator plan, as it's really perfect for content creators. Now add your video script to 11 Labs and choose any cool voice which match on your story video, and that's how your voiceover is ready, and you can download it. Now let's move on to step 5. Step 5. Combine the voice and images. Finally, the time has come to bring everything together by combining the beautifully crafted voiceover with the captivating images. Now there's a variety of tools you can use for video editing, but personally, I prefer using CapCut because its incredible versatility and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both PC and mobile devices. Download CapCut and import all your video clips and the voice. Ensure that the voice matches the video clips perfectly, delivering an extraordinary viewing experience. But wait, there's more to enhance viewer engagement and accessibility. Don't forget to add captivating captions to your video. So go to the text option. From here, go to auto caption and click on create. Caption will be added to your video in few seconds. And if you want, you can edit the caption from here, like changing font color, etc. To make your video more engaging, consider adding background music and effects. You can find royalty-free music on YouTube Audio Library. Just download it and use on your YouTube videos. Once everything is complete, export your video in up to 4K resolution. That's it. With these AI tools, you can easily create a YouTube channel and start earning thousands of dollars with a bit of smart work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. But wait, if you want to know how to start a money-making faceless YouTube channel with the help of AI, then definitely watch this video.